In primetime news this evening, bring it on. At least one local mechanic says he's unfazed about the growing popularity of a Chinese garage.
Family of woman accidentally shot by a policeman renews call for justice.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Later on in the program, we have the business news.
And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Janella. Guess what? A number of stars have made themselves available for the World Relays set for later this year in China. We'll tell you who a bit later on.
Thank you very much, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. We are expecting an increase in shower activity across the island as we move into the end of this week. And we're expecting rainy afternoons for much of the start of next week as well.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But Andrea, before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, how can local mechanics improve their services? I have a lot of views on that.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.